All glory to God. So what if I told you that the resurrection of Jesus was examined like a real courtroom case? Not blind faith, but actual legal evidence. So there was this Harvard law expert named Simon Greenleaf. He was not actually a believer. He started this case in order to disprove Christianity. But instead of approaching it emotionally, he approached it like a lawyer. He used the same rules applied in a court. He put the resurrection on a trial. So first, he examined the Gospels as ancient documents. He checked if they were actually reliable or if it actually was preserved accurately. And what he found was they actually passed the test. They were consistent internally and they also were supported by external historical sources. And second, he looked at the witnesses, that is, the apostles. Were they credible? Did they have anything to gain from this? Because in law, that actually matters. And the answer is that they gained nothing. No money, no power, no status. In fact, they only received persecution, imprisonment, and some of them even death. And here's the key. People don't die for something that they know is false. Now this is really interesting. They found out that the accounts that they examined were not perfectly identical. And this might sound like a problem. But in the law, this actually strengthens the case. But because real eyewitnesses agree on the main truth, but they differ in small details. Because perfectly matching stories, that usually means that it's made up. So what about other explanations? Did they steal the body? No, because there was no motive, and second of all, they didn't have any power against the Roman guards. Was it a hallucination? Over 500 people don't hallucinate the same thing. And then, was it a made-up story? No, because the accounts were written while the eyewitnesses were still alive. And after examining all of this, his conclusion was clear, that it is impossible that the apostles would continue to testify that Jesus rose from the dead unless it was actually true. So this isn't blind faith. This is evidence that can be examined. Evidence that stands under scrutiny. And if the resurrection is true, then Jesus is exactly whom he claimed to be. Which means the cross wasn't weakness. It was love fully revealed. So the real question is, are you willing to accept that love? God bless you all.